Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring the app and permissions are ready. This matters because accurate positioning powers every direction you'll get. Sign into your Google account and save home and work so suggestions appear instantly. Once done, enable Wi-Fi or mobile data. Download the offline map for the region if you anticipate no signal. Now search a place, tap directions, and choose your mode: driving, transit, walking, or cycling. This first action kicks the navigation process into motion. You refine the route next because the fastest path may not be the best for you. Type specific keywords or pick a starred place, then open layers to view live traffic, satellite imagery, or transit lines. These layers explain why a route is chosen. Tap route options to avoid tolls or highways, add up to 9 stops for multi-stop trips, and swipe alternative routes to compare ETA. Make sure to preview turn lists so you know tricky maneuvers before you arrive. You finish by starting turn-by-turn navigation and following voice and lane guidance. This keeps your eyes up and reduces missed turns. If you need to coordinate, share your real-time location or ETA directly from the route, and save key places to lists for easy recall later. Finally, export the map area for offline use so you won't get stranded. If GPS drifts or the route recalculates wildly, toggle location off and on, calibrate the compass, or switch to offline maps. Those steps usually fix most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.